Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing okay. So I wanted to try a different style of video today with a voiceover. I haven't done this before, but I hope you guys enjoy the video nonetheless. So in today's video, I'll be picking up a dart jumper that I found on Facebook Marketplace. I've really been wanting to get into dart jumping and the world of MTB in general, but I wasn't really comfortable on most mountain bikes that I found around. So while browsing Facebook Marketplace a while back, I found this shop by the name Jeff Bikes and Spares. I got in contact with the owner, really nice guy, really chill guy. They have a shop located in Makupa area in Mombasa, Kenya. Really nice guy. He allowed me to set up a deposit for the bike while I sourced the rest of the cash. And after completion of the payment, he just sent the bike over to where I was by courier. So this right here is me picking the bike up, looking at it after assessing it, setting up my camera so I could do a quick ride around in the CBD and ride all the way home to figure out what the bike would need, the pros, the cons. And immediately I noticed it needed a bit of work, especially with the brakes. The bike did not stop at all. So I had to figure out how to do that. So I found a spot in the CBD, stopped, cleaned out the brake pads, helped a bit but not that much. The whole brake system still kind of needs an overhaul, but I'll figure that out in a future video. When I found this 24-inch dart jumper, I figured it was a proper fit for me, since the current dart jumper that I have is pretty much the same size, but this one looked a bit more modern than the one that I have already. It's an NS Bikes Holy One from 2011. A bit old, but then again my BMX bike is also from the same year. It's a 2011, I guess. Yeah, so it's not all that bad. It has sealed headset, sealed bottom bracket, a disc brake in the back, which I really wanted, and which is why I did a conversion on my current bike to a disc in the back. I do plan on getting some mods on it. I already have some aftermarket parts like suspension forks, quick release front hub, some aftermarket handlebars. I'm still working out what exactly I want to do with the bike, how exactly I want to run it, the overall color that I want to run on it down the line. So it's still in the works. Niaje? Uko fiti? Taruhusiwa kupita hapa ama niko kwenda ile side ya skate park? Niko na bike, niko na malosi. Sawa.
No. That's the goal. That is the idea. Lakini ndio pale kuna blockade imewekwa ya makara. Sio kuna event gani? Hebu tafuta mahali tusimame kwanza ni confirm nini? Disc. Mama hapo juu. You came prepared. I came prepared for riding, not for eating.
Eating means riding means eating. Eating means riding.
Siko sure. Sina ina siku moja kwa weekend bado. Wewe tokea daily kama mtu ana form. Just can't. Yay!
Kwa dem choto.
Nani huyu jamaa? Nairobi City. Kuna peti pale, twende. Umekanyaga nini? Nikangojile kwenye umeweka presha yote. Toka yote. Lakini nakushona nahitaji tu. Nimekanyanga kitu. Nimetoka. Yakai kasema ai. Nimepata basi. Siku mbili alafu mwili kazoea jampa nikasafi, lakini but
I guess I'll be ending the video right about here because the rest of the footage I didn't really realize the drawstring from my hoodie was blocking the left camera lens partially, and the rest of the footage is just annoying to look at. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I really want to say thank you guys for 5,000 subscribers. It's really been a long journey, and I hope to see you guys around. Kindly let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Maybe parts that I should get for the bike, what I can do on it, anything that I can do to improve it. Stay blessed, stay safe. If you haven't hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and yeah, hope you guys have a great time.